A warm welcome to my fellow viewers. So today we're going to discover the way of technology and spread this awareness. Become the people who don't know the right terminology. So technology is basically the way we execute the discoveries of science and blend it with our own needs. Technology is a general term used to refer to the different tools, machines, equipment we use in everyday life. These tools and equipment has been invented by men to make the task faster and easier and more comfortable for us. Since the invention of the wheel to use the microchips in computers and mobile technology has come a long way. Although there had been countless examples where technology had changed our lives, there are some which are considered as revolutions for mankind. Some of them are e-commerce, e-textile, and many more. Like E refers to the technology. So technology is a non-separatable part taking place in our life in these days. Now, my fellow partner Soumya will tell you the problem that we encounter and its effects on our day to day life.
Hi, I'm Soumya Negi and I will be telling you about current problem we are facing in patient monitoring. Due to pandemic diseases, every day multiple of patients knock the door of the hospital, which become biggest challenge in patient monitoring in regular basis. Despite innovation and hundreds of medical devices, still the clinicians are getting problem in patient monitoring. Here, I am going to address the few challenges. Some physicians still receive update through verbal and handwritten, which can lead problem when need to change the patient's medication dose. Staff rotation: staff rotate in and out from department to create coordination problem. Lack of complete data and rise of false alarm. Clinicians are trapped for time, which force them to spot check on patients vital sign every few hours. Lack of continuous monitoring during transport lead to patient condition worse.
Now, let us analyze how our idea into work will be produced. So, in our model, we have to use an e-textile fitted with Arduino that can be sewn on clothes that can continuously monitor the health credential and can send the details to the common system that can disseminate the information to doctors and family members and alert them in a case of emergency. The problems that this idea solves are monitoring health conditions from our device from anywhere, warning serious health hazards like heart stroke to another family member, wearable smart clothes with full comfort, helping the user in building self confidence. And maximum people are don't aware of the term e-textile. It would be a great opportunity to launch our idea and to spread awareness about the term e-textile, what actually means and what its power extend up to. E-textile would be the game changer in the market of technology at an affordable price, would be seen as a visionary of future of India a great extent. If India will adopt this technology, it will receive a huge growth in economy that would encourage a huge foreign investment in the country that ultimately will make India Atmanirbhar. So this is the overall idea, and we have also conducted the surveys that you can see in your screen. So our team also hope that the Niti Aayog will promote our idea and make India to become a Atmanirbhar country in future.